Okay everyone, the goal of this tutorial today is to show you how easy it is to create, share, and collaborate on the documents you'll be creating during this school year using Google Docs. The great thing about Google Docs is that it allows multiple users in multiple places all over the world to collaborate in real time on a document that's housed in one space. So the first thing you need to do to set this up is go to Google and make sure you're signed in. I'm signed in because it says my username up here at the top. So now what I want to do is go to Google Documents, open it up. So over here on the left side there are all the Google apps, and there's one that says More. You go down to where it says Documents, click that. So it might take a little while for Google Docs to open, but when you get in here, the left sidebar over here shows you where you can see all items, ones that you own, ones that you've opened, and ones that people have shared with you. And then you can also star, hide, and trash items, and then you can sort items in different ways, all here from the left. But today what we're going to be looking at is creating documents. Now the thing to keep in mind is when you're creating a document for your group to use, or that you're going to use and share with me during this school year, is that you don't want to have everyone creating the document. So if you're creating a document for your group to use, then you want to have one person, usually the team leader, decide to create the document and share that with everyone in the group and myself. If it's something that you're going to be creating, like an essay, and you want me to be able to edit it on the computer, then you want to create it and then share it with me. I'm not going to create a separate document. And you won't have to send me anything. It'll automatically be housed on the internet, and I can go and access it, and you and your teammates on group projects can access it from at home or at any computer in the school or anywhere else that you might be that has internet access. So to create a document, you go up here to the left-hand corner, and it says Create New. So the first thing, you click that and you have the option of a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, a form, or a drawing. So a document would be like a word processing or Word document from the Microsoft Suite. Presentation would be like PowerPoint. Spreadsheet would be like an Excel spreadsheet. A form is like a questionnaire or a survey, and then a drawing would be like a publisher document for the Microsoft programs. So we're just going to make a generic document today. And let's say this is a group project that you're going to be working on, so you're going to change the name to something like when we get into challenge-based learning, you're going to have your planning proposal document. So right up here beside where it says Google Docs, it says Untitled Document. If you click that, it allows you to enter a new name. So you might put something like, if your group was just AHS CBL, you would put in your group name, and then this is your planning proposal. And you click OK, and it'll rename the document. And then to add it for your team members, to add them so they can come in and edit at the same time, you go over here to the far right side where it says Share. And we're going to go to Share Settings. And right now you can see that the creator, I'm the owner, and I'm the creator, so I can see that I'm in here. And I'm going to say, you click here where it says Add People, and you can type in their email addresses and my email address as well. So everyone in your group plus me. So if you're adding me, you would send it to J. Drummond, if I type correctly, at mail.gsn.k12.oh.us. And then you want to make sure that this person that you're adding, everyone can edit. You can set it up so that people can view your documents, but you want it to be so that they can't edit. And then you might put in a second email, like if the person, whatever their email address is, that's linked to their Google account. Now make sure you use the one that's linked to their Google account. And that's why we're all creating Gmail account addresses, Gmail email addresses, because it will make it easier for us to remember which one's associated with a Google account. So if theirs was test@gmail.com, and they can edit, and then you might put in here this optional text that you're going to send would be like, let's get started on our CBL planning proposal. And then you could have it send a copy to yourself. What's good about this is that it makes sure that everyone gets the copy because you know that it arrived to you. You can paste the item in itself, and it'll send out email notifications to everyone. as well. And then you click share, and it would send out those emails. Now I'm not going to click share with this email in here, but I can go back here and click share, and now it'll share it to all those email addresses that were in there. Then you click close for now, and now you've got it set up where everyone can edit. And that's the process of creating a Google Doc and sharing it with other people so that you can edit it collaboratively.